everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Neil.
And I'm Tyler.
Today we're going to be installing a fuel pump on the MK3 Supra. And we are going to be installing a MK4 fuel pump with its sock and rubber and hose fittings. So we'll get that going. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I had shoulder surgery. I only have a 2-pound weight limit right now. I don't have the best range of motion, so Tyler's going to be doing most of everything.
Yay.
So let's get to it. Alright, first things we want to do is we want to take this out. So Tyler, go ahead with that. And the reason we went with the MK4 Supra fuel pump is so we don't have to mess with any of the wiring or anything. It's just a plug and play. Simple and easy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Get straight. Start spinning, that's when you need to stop. Okay, take all these screws and put them in here. Okay. Now, next thing we need to do is we need to come in here and unplug these wires. Now to unplug those. Unplug the two sensors. There we go. Maybe. There we go. Next thing we need to do is take out the filler neck with those 4 Phillips screws, and Tyler's going to take care of that. Oops. Do you need the extension? No. From the garage door. It's so hot. That'll help with light and hot. That actually feels good. Pop another side. And the top. Oh, the top. Pop the top. Okay. There you go. Let's pull that out. Sweet. Time to do the fun part and drop the tank. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drain the fuel. You gotta get it up in there tight, bud. There you go. We're gonna drain the fuel first, to make it easier to drop. I got it. Oh, okay. Alright, move your wrench. Move your wrench. Now take it out with your fingers. If you can. So we're going to remove the fuel lines. We've got to remove this one, and this one. Oops, you can't see with my arm in the way. This one here, this one, still can't see. We'll show you. Alright, Tyler, go ahead and get that first one undone. And fuel's going to fall, so make sure you have rags down and be ready for fuel to come out. And we did hit these with WD-40 last night. Oh, that one came off pretty easy. Yeah, a little bit will come out. Okay, now get the other 2 lines undone. Okay, and then disconnect those 2 lines there.
Ah, oh, there we go.
Alright, now see if you can pull that off. Okay, get the other one off. You can even put it to that side. Yep.
There we go.
Okay, and point at them again. Tyler, point at all 3 fuel lines.
This one, and this one.
All right.
It's leaking.
We're gonna get that hose off, and then we'll be right back with you.
Oh, what the heck? Why'd it go for?
Yep.
How about my strings? go.
There's gonna take this bolt and little nut and that nut off, and there's 17s. Go ahead and get started on those.
Oops.
Don't come all the way down with it. Just come down, bring it all the way down to here. Okay, now the other side. Hit it again. There you go. All right. Now we just gotta drop the tank. Tank dropped, and we wiped it down a little bit. Tyler's gonna take out the fuel pump. Go ahead, Ty. Yep. Okay, so there's the fuel pump. Looks pretty good. All right.
Where do you want me to set it?
The tank looks pretty clean on the inside there, so we're not gonna have to clean it out. It's really clean. Off the fuel filter, we need to use, what size is that? 9/32 to take off the nuts. So Tyler will get those going. Once they break, you should be able to take them off your finger. Okay, go. There. That easier? Okay, and I'll do that with the other one. Oh, oh, that one's not gonna slide. So, there you go. Oh. And here's the MK4 Supra fuel pump. And I ordered it from Rock Auto. And to get the sock, it is, here is the order number, the part number for the sock. Okay, then that just comes out, and then this piece goes on. Supposed to go on, at least.
Maybe take that off?
Yeah. Take the plugs out.
Now it should go on. There we go.
And now it should go on. Now we're going to try and get that on there. The outer, the part that with the indentations, go away from the pump. And Tyler's going to try and push it on there with the screwdriver. Go ahead, Ty. There.
Oh, there we go.
Sorry, the camera overheated on us. We had to let it cool down. So now we got to put the hose up onto here and guide it onto here. So Tyler, if you could get that done. All right. You're probably gonna have to work that on.
There we
There
go.
you go. Good job.
There we go.
All right, so we're just going to put the fuel filter in. Yep, goes just like that. See that orange thing that was down there? That's what it sets into. Screws in. There you go, go tighten them up. Got the fuel filter in. Now we ought to do is just put it back in. When you're putting it in, make sure you guide this side up first. And then as you put it up, put in your, put the nuts on first, just a couple threads, so that way it'll hold it in place. And then put the bolts on next. Tighten it down, then tighten up your bolts. We'll see you when that's done. We got the tank in, and Tyler got these wires connected. Now he's just going to put the cap on. No. Okay. Perfect. Okay, now we gotta just fuel it up and then hopefully it starts. Okay, so we just finished putting the fuel pump in. Tyler's gotta go. His mom's here to pick him up, so say bye, Tyler.
See you later, guys.
All right, thanks for your help, bud.
Yep.
And we're gonna go see first start. So all right, we're gonna be going for first start here. Ooh, that's good.
Providing you with a safe environment for your buying process or servicing your vehicle. Are you ready to make this the summer event?
No! Alright, so we got it all good. Started up just fine. I know I'm all sweaty because it's hotter than hell outside. But we're all done. We're good to go. We're gonna have to go give her a test drive, see how it runs with the AFRs and everything. So until next time, thanks for watching.